Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring the F15 is ready. Plug it in or confirm the battery is above 50% because updates can stall if power drops. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to prevent interrupted downloads. Once done, back up your important data to the cloud or a PC so you can restore if something goes wrong. Now open Settings, go to Software Update, and tap Download and Install to begin fetching the latest build. This kicks off the update process. Once the system finds an update, you'll see download progress. Wait until the file completes before installing because partial files cause failures. When the package finishes, tap Install. The phone may ask for permissions or a PIN, so grant them when prompted. Make sure you do not reboot or force close apps during installation. The device will reboot itself to apply changes. If it's a major OS version, expect a longer installation and multiple automatic reboots, while after installation, your F15 will finish optimizing apps. Wait until the home screen fully loads. You should verify the new software version in settings about to confirm success. If apps crash or battery drains, clear the system cache or individual app caches to remove old temporary files. This often resolves issues. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps and consider a factory reset only after backing up data. These steps fix most post-update problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.